All hour long, we've been surrounding the AMC trade, so let's talk regulation now. Is there a regulatory crackdown coming? Let's bring in Jacob Frenkel, former SEC enforcement lawyer. He is now a partner at Dickinson Wright. Jacob, great to see you again.
Thank you. Good to see you.
What do you think, or who do you think, what group do you think is number one on the list for the SEC to investigate when it comes to this whole trade?
The answer to your question about investigate is really the key. Investigation would be those who were involved in the momentum trading. That would be whether it be institutions, whether it be individuals, whether it be those who were trading off the Reddit board, whether it was those who were messaging on the board and trading. What the SEC will look at is everyone who traded in these meme stocks, those that were trading in disproportionate percentages to what their fundamentals demanded. And you go back to what you were talking about with respect to options, the word fundamentals kept coming up time and time and time again in your last segment. And the fact is, what we're really talking about is what is the SEC going to do from an investigative perspective with respect to all these securities that were running well beyond what the fundamentals demanded.
Isn't that a judgment then by the SEC that fundamentals either warrant or don't warrant an investigation? That's not really the role of the SEC to say, hey, this stock isn't worth this, and so we're going to investigate the trading surrounding it.
Well, it's a great question.
The market judges what it's worth.
Great question, because I'm really not talking about using fundamentals as the metric for the investigation, because there's nothing that should prevent a stock from being able to run 20% or 30% on its own. The real issue was there any fraudulent activity involved in the trading? Was there manipulative activity? Were, for example, individuals, encouraging buying, saying, hey, I'm in the stock, let's get on this for whatever reason, when they in fact are selling the stock. So I think those are the dynamics that the SEC is going to look at from an investigative perspective. Mm-hmm. When you framed the question originally, you were talking about regulation. I don't think you can regulate here because you really can't create multiple tiers of regulation or apply different metrics to these securities. So.
All right, we're up against the top of the hour, Jacob. It's always good to hear from you, though. Jacob Frenkel, sounds like everybody may have a target on their back at this point.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.